in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning. I'm already up.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have this Chevy Malibu here. This one has the quarter panel completely destroyed. You have to actually buy the entire unit side of the vehicle. So I typically put a glaze coat across this wheelhouse area whenever these quarter panels fold around the wheelhouse there, because they typically get a little bit of choppiness in them, and that'll especially show, especially on a dark colored car. So I'm just gonna put a quick coat of glaze around this and knock it down, and it'll look perfect. Now when I primed this, I taped off all the areas where the window urethane goes, where they glue the glass in. And I'm gonna put down some epoxy primer I just mixed up. That's the way they want these prepped for the urethane. Obviously you won't see any of this, but that's the proper way to finish these areas. So this one gets a chip guard, which is this thick texture that goes across the bottom. Just helps prevent rocks from coming up and chipping the paint, and then it causes it to start rusting. So I'm gonna scuff this up, and then I'll tape it off right here, and I'll go ahead and apply that chip guard.